Welcome viewers. If you like the video, click like button. To get new video, click subscribe and command. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Welcome to Teacher Tech Tips. Today I will go to introduce a Aviation website for engineering and science students to create new project. The website has enormous amount of projects and step-by-step instructions how to do it. In order to use the website, type www.instructables.com and you have to create a new account by click sign up button. In this case, I already have an account, so I click login and I click Google button. I signed in. Here I type solar energy. Here many projects are available about the topic. I select this one and you can see the video and step-by-step instructions. Step 1, overview. Step 2, mechanical construction, and you can download these instructions by PDF. This website is very useful to create science project and engineering project. I click teacher. Here you can select according to the grade level and according to the subject. You click science and you can find the new science projects. This is one easy science project. This instruction gives what are the materials do you have to do this. These are the materials to do this and step-by-step instructions. Also you can download this project as PDF file, and as a teacher you can create a new instruction by click write on instructable and click new instructable. You can name it your project. I create my instructable and you can upload your photos and videos here from image library, or upload a new images and videos, or you can directly drop the file into this window and write your instructions here, and you can add your step-by-step process and click save and publish. It is very useful to engineering school students. Thank you.